When you first open Word, there are three main ways to work with Copilot. First one is drafting in a document, second one is using the sidebar, and the third one is used immediately in the text, using this button, or when you select the text. Important information: if you don't see Copilot button anywhere at all, you're likely not logged into your company account, and without it, you won't have access to Copilot in Word. If you're starting from scratch, you'll see the Draft with Copilot box at the top of an empty page. Here you can simply describe what you want to write. For example, write a one-paragraph announcement for an upcoming internal training session, including the date and time. Copilot will instantly create a draft directly in your document. And you can then add extra context to make the draft more accurate. You can find the Copilot button up here, and when you open it, it will show you the sidebar. Here you can interact with Copilot just like a chat assistant. Ask questions, request summaries, get counter-arguments, or brainstorm new ideas. You can ask questions like summarize this document, or in general use it to figure out information about the document without actually drafting it into the document. However, you can always append it using the append button. This bar can also help you create extra material like tables, lists, or even AI-generated images to support your work. Last one are inline actions. If you highlight text or place your cursor in a paragraph, you'll often see a small Copilot icon appear in the left margin or under your selection. Clicking it brings up options like continue writing, summarize, or convert. One thing you can use it for is to highlight a list of meeting notes and use it to make it into a table. Copilot will create a clean formatted table right inside your document. Keep in mind, inline actions are for direct edits in your document, so don't use them just to ask a question, unless you actually want Copilot to insert the answer into your file. Last tip is that no matter which method you use, Copilot will always ask you for confirmation before inserting content. You can accept it, reject it, or ask it to change things like tone, format, or level of detail.